Previously on 100 Mondays.
And we're making moves.
Hi everybody, Don Delaney here. Just wanted to pop in, say hi, play you guys a couple songs, and let you guys know about some of the cool stuff that we've got coming up.
Found their way into my phone. Might come along anyway. Never really know. So on the metallic gold hubcap, the inside I painted like a shell, the conch inner shell pink. It's called champagne pink, but to be honest, I don't think I've ever seen any pink champagne in real life.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's time for another 100 Mondays, and as you can see, I have another piece that I'm working on. I'm going to be working big, so I'm going to be doing some monochrome pieces big. That is my reference picture, although the color scheme is not going to look like the photo, but you already know that, and no, it won't be blue.